Okay, today is February 2nd, 2011, and that's also Groundhog's Day, and I'm just showing you the effects of the big snow of 2011. Happened yesterday, February 1st. Here is the backyard, and although it doesn't look like a lot on there, you can see way back out there that the wind is blowing pretty hard. This is the green, and that's the neighbor's house. Out the garage here, and this is Jack's car that is buried in the snow. Karen is already starting to shovel. Hey Karen, how you doing? Karen? Hi. Wow. This is going to be a task, huh?
You think?
Yeah. That's the mound of snow already.
Is it going now?
Yes.